My name is Arie Dosoretz. I'm a radiation oncologist. I'm the managing partner for Advocate Radiation Oncology and Southwest Florida Proton in Fort Myers, Florida. We are in the process of installing our ProteusONE. We are building our building right now and expect to receive the machine next year. When we decided we wanted to invest in a proton center and build a proton center, we felt like we had to turn over every rock and make sure that we had really made an educated decision in terms of who we were going to partner with. And for us, investing in this technology is much more than just buying the machine. It's a partnership with the company that we work with. We need to know that they're going to be able to deliver a machine that does all the things that it's supposed to do, but that it will continue to do so for many years in the future, and that we're going to be able to work with that partner and the community that they bring along with them to continue to enhance the services that we provide at our center. IBA checked really all of those boxes. We felt that the machines that are being made by IBA were by far better than any other vendor. We felt that the community that IBA brought along with them in terms of the centers that already have protons installed or are doing so really offered a very valuable group of people that can give us insights. And we felt that from a service standpoint in the future and a technologic innovation standpoint, that IBA would continue to improve the products that they already have available to them so that we can change with the times and incorporate the new developments. So for us, all of those things combined with a culture that we felt the kinship with in terms of the people who are in charge, our ability to work through difficult problems together and get to the right solutions, we felt a lot of comfort that IBA was the right partner with us to do all these things together. The ProteusONE, we believe, offers the best of what protons have today. We think that the machine has precision and accuracy, and we think that there's a track record. We think that there's centers already operating and a reliability and a robust aspect to the product and the services being offered alongside that product that we know we're going to get what we're ordering. And so add that alongside with the future innovations that we see coming down the road for protons, arc treatment, potential for flash potentially down the road, and we felt that IBA's ProteusONE was really the best machine available in the proton space from a technology benefits, but also from a reliability and track record history that we knew we could rely on. These machines have to have a long lifespan. You do want to have the ability to modify the machine that you have so that it upgrades with the times and adapts to the evidence and the technologic innovation that comes to the world. We felt very comfortable that IBA will be at the forefront, not just for a year or two, but for decades as we move forwards.